Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about your financial future is smart, and a Roth IRA can be a fantastic part of that plan. It means your money grows completely tax-free, and you won't pay taxes when you take it out in retirement. This can be a huge advantage down the road. You fund it with after-tax dollars today, so future qualified withdrawals are entirely free of income tax. And setting one up with a trusted broker like Charles Schwab is a lot simpler than you might think. So let's dive into how you can get started today. Before diving in, it's important to know if a Roth IRA is right for you and how much you can contribute. The IRS sets income limits each year, so make sure your adjusted gross income falls within those guidelines. You also need to have earned income like wages from a job to be eligible to contribute. Plus, there are annual contribution limits, which are higher if you're age 50 or older, allowing you to catch up on your savings goals. Ready to open your account? Head over to the Charles Schwab website. On their homepage, you'll typically find a clear option to open an account or invest. From there, simply choose Roth IRA from the list of account types. The application process will then guide you, asking for standard personal information like your social security number, address, and employment details. It's an intuitive online form designed to make setup easy and straightforward for new investors. With your Roth IRA account officially open, the next step is funding it. Charles Schwab makes this very simple. You'll link your new IRA to an existing bank account, like your checking or savings. From there, you can easily initiate an electronic funds transfer. You have the flexibility to make a single deposit, or, even better, set up recurring contributions. Automating your savings ensures you consistently contribute to your future, without having to think about it each month. Depositing money into your Roth IRA is just the first part. That money isn't working for you until it's invested. Charles Schwab offers a wide array of investment choices, from low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETF, to diversified mutual funds, or even simple target date funds if you prefer a hands-off approach. Explore these options and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Schwab provides excellent educational resources, helping ensure your money starts growing effectively toward your retirement dreams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.